So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for mail, and then mail and calendar should come up. Now you want to click on the three dots, and then click on advanced options. And now you want to scroll down, and then click on terminate, scroll down again, and then click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If it still did not work, instead you want to click on reset again, wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that did not work for the second method, right under this, you want to click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. And then once you've uninstalled that, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for mail and calendar. This will come up, you want to click on this. And now you want to select mail and calendar. And then click on get. You want to download this. And then once it's been downloaded, you just want to search for it. Just want to type in mail, click on it, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed for the last method, you just want to restart your computer, and then that should fix your problem.